The Queen made 2 official engagements today amid concerns about her health after her son and daughter-in-law tested positive for COVID-19. The 95-year-old monarch held virtual audiences from Windsor Castle on Tuesday, including meetings with the Estonian and Spanish ambassadors, who spoke to the Queen via video links from Buckingham Palace. Estonian ambassador Viljar Lubi presented his credentials and his predecessor's letters to recall to the Queen, placing them on an antique wooden table in front of the flat-screen monitor. He was accompanied by Marja Juntai, who was also received by the monarch. Spanish ambassador José Pascual Marco Martinez, who was dressed in diplomatic uniform, also presented his letters of credence at the second audience. He was accompanied by his wife, Geraldine Dufort. The Queen, wearing a floral dress, could be seen in high spirits and good health on screen as she spoke by video link with the ambassadors to the UK. She was seated in her oak room sitting room. She has spent most of the pandemic at Windsor, where she was cared for in lockdown in HMS Bubble, a nickname given to her reduced household of dedicated staff. It marks the first time the Queen has been seen in public since it was announced that Prince Charles has tested positive for COVID-19 last Thursday, 2 days after he met his mother at Windsor Castle. At the time, concerns mounted for the monarch's health, but Buckingham Palace refused to confirm whether the Queen had tested positive or negative, citing medical privacy. Royal officials would only confirm that Her Majesty was not displaying any symptoms of the virus. The Queen has been triple vaccinated. She received her first jab in January 2021 and her second jab in March, while sources say it's believed she got her booster jab in October. However, the monarch will have taken daily lateral flow tests over the past 7 days. In keeping with current guidelines, she also will have been closely monitored by her physicians. Yesterday, Clarence House also announced that Camilla, the Duchess of Cornwall, was also self-isolating after testing positive for COVID. The Duchess carried out a string of engagements last Thursday, the day Charles tested positive for a second time. Organisations visited by the Duchess and those in attendance have now been informed of her positive result, and the charities have begun contacting any people who are in close contact. Both Charles and Camilla have been fully vaccinated against COVID, and each has had their booster shot. It comes as the Queen prepares for her Platinum Jubilee later this year, which will see the nation's June calendar filled with celebrations to mark her 70 years on the throne. It is expected that the Queen will only undertake light public duties until that time, after suffering a period of ill health late last year. In the autumn, the Queen, who turns 96 in April, cancelled a series of engagements and was under doctor's orders to rest. She was advised to carry out only modest duties after a night in hospital undergoing preliminary tests.